Alright, Mystery Skater 5960 unboxing video. Got a Skate Warehouse CCS.
So what?
Oh crap, did I just cut down my skate? Did I just cut straight? Did I just rip it? These are my board shorts. Oh my god. Dude, I thought I just took the razor straight through these. Oh. I'm like, where's the day? Reds. I got them perps. One's STF purples. 52.
The wallet.
Wait, Mom!
It's your boy Foundation.
Wallet.
Nuts.
Wait! Oh, heck yes, man. The titaniums. Thieve. What do you like?
Let me see what that is, man. See what's cracking up. Oh, yeah. It's your boy Expedition.
Gripping and cripping. With the mob. Razor blade. 3 stickers.
How come your shit is
Oh crap, got a free skateboard bag. CS sticker. Add to the collection. Here, I'm just gonna show these so if .CS sees this video.
What's the whoop?
Yeah, Death Wish crew. Oh, these are independent.
Pretty good. Shout out to Village Vanguard. Shout out to Village Vanguard. Thank you for the shades. Thanks so much.
Oh, these things are $2.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. I think I'll go with the blacks for now. Wait till these break. $2.
Alright, these have a case.
Huh?
These have a case.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Dang. Got a case. These are like
So what?
baby plastic.
Dude, that's why they're $2.
No way. Oh. Any stickers?
Here? Maybe here. Yeah, right here.
Oh, that's good. Heck yeah. Let's see. Oh. The stickers. Nuts. Ow! Usually Skate Warehouse is like a poster. Alright, yeah, here we go. Expedition. Foundation. Oh, this is pretty light. No, Megan, don't open this yet.
There's a sticker up in the collection.
No. Dude, this is light.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Compared to this.
Holy shit. Oh, dang.
Yeah.
This one feels like a Walmart board. So maybe it's because Skate has grip.
Oh yeah, this one, it has grip on it too.
Grip's what, like 5 ounces.
I use my new wallet. These setups. 40% lighter, twice as strong. Oh, I thought I was about to like freak out when I thought I ripped my pants, my shorts.
Yeah, I would suck a bit. These people are so racist, man. I don't even have no DGK in here. They think I am. First Williams. Oh,
This
yeah.
this concludes the video.